What's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me champion 2005 Ford Escape. I'm gonna show you how to replace the axle, right front axle, passenger side. All right. So before I jump into the action, I'm gonna say it again. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the subscribe button. Like the video. Share the video. Their feedback, put in the comment box. Alright, let me know how you feel about this car. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you like it, you don't like it, whatever you have in mind, put it in the comment box. Alright, shout outs to everybody, shout outs to my fans, subscribers, viewers, community channel, haters. I love you too. Alright, the whole planet, the whole clan, gang. Alright, Russia, Ukraine, Japan, Italy, Germany, France, Croatia, Austria, Australia, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Chile, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. I'm not even rapping, bro. I'm not even rapping. The States, Mexico, Canada, Panama, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, all that. I'm saying Mars, Pluto, all that. I'm saying the moon. I know what they're doing over there in the moon. Play with me. If you want to support the channel, also there's a heart right there. Okay, it's a stamps. Click on that, go through that, and you know what's up. Okay, support the channel, support the community. You know what I'm saying? Support my work. You know what I'm saying? And I would appreciate it a lot. All right. So more or less, I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this, okay? 2005. I'm gonna on the title, on the title and description box, I'm gonna put the generation. You know what I'm saying? So from this date, from this year to this year, you know what I'm saying, you can do this project, okay? So this is the first generation of Escape, okay? It's from 2001 to 2007, but from 2001 and 2004 is the first generation. Okay, that's cool. Okay, we got that right. But from 2005 and 2007 is still the second generation, but the facelift. All right, just so you know what I'm saying. You know what facelift means, right? When the body change, there's a few changes and all that, though, but the basics of the model is still the same. Alright. So more or less, okay, I don't want to hold you up. Hey, get your membership too, okay? Shout outs to my baby mama too. Alright. Psych, I don't have a baby coat. It's me, man. You see her vibes. You see her vibes, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it. That's too Alright. I'm gonna do that. This guy right here. Okay. That's gonna be 32. Alright. Hey, sorry for the background noise. My bad. That's the heater. Okay. It's kind of cold here in New York now. Not that cold though, but still. You know what I'm saying? If you have a heater, might as well use it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, 32. All right, this guy. Anything counts. It's my hammer. Yeah, okay. 19. just like that, pop. Of course, I'm gonna give you the part number in a minute though when I get to that. Put this thing right here. There you go. I had to use the other technique. Alright. This guy right here, that's an 8mm. I'm gonna remove that sensor. Okay, because I think I'm gonna stretch. I don't want to stretch that that sensor, so that's why I'm gonna remove it. First I gotta find. Okay, pop.
I ordered the beds and the caliper and the hose on that side.
So I do it? Alright, so yeah, it's gonna be 8mm. I have 8mm in 3/8. I was gonna use a quarter though. What a mess. See what I'm doing? You probably want to spray some WD-40. You see what I'm doing right here? It's a big sensor. Pause. There you go. All right. This clip right here. I'm gonna remove it too. Oh, it's down there. My bad, my bad. That guy right there. But I think it's better if you hit it with the hammer and a little chisel or something like that. Now there you go. Now I probably have more WD-40 again. This is a 2005, by the way. Alright. So you gotta understand. Seeing what I'm doing? Okay. See what I'm doing though? Another one. Oh. Hit this axle here. And this is the reason why this sensor read how many times this thing is spin or how fast this thing is spin. Okay, this is a sensor that read that, and this one is broken. It's cracked. So you have two options. You could just get the ring, put it back, or replace the whole axle. Alright. If you want to replace just the ring, I have the part number. Alright. 917532. That's the part number. That's the brand. Okay. Usually this is OE. Okay. I mean, it is OE. Anyways, so what you guys want to do? Replace the ring or the axle? I'll let you think about it. Coming through the bottom. Okay. You see, that's the axle. That's the axle right here. Okay. We're not gonna remove the whole thing, but we're gonna hit it here. You see my finger? My orange finger? Not like that though. Cause if you see here, right there is where it's gonna like disconnect. Okay. So we're gonna hit it upward. Let me show you the axle, the new axle. Pop, pop, pop. This is what it is. See what I'm doing right here. You see what I'm doing? Triceps, triceps. Alright. This is the ring that we it comes with the nut, pulse. Okay. What is this, like 10 pounds maybe? Let me give you a part number. Stop playing with me. It's a little bit heavy though. For me it's light, for me it's light. For you it might be heavy, alright? Part number, made in China, Axtuo assembly. Made by PDL, Professional Driveline. Alright, that's for the thumbnail. Get the part number. There's a part number right there. 1700 already 197067. Alright. Alright. There you go. That's the key. There you go. Audi. You see it? Alright. Put some grease when you put the new one. Okay. Alright. Now the whole procedure goes in reverse. Alright. Let me show you what I got. It's me. This guy is the old one. Alright. And this is the new one. Make sure they match and all that. You know what I'm saying? Working out here. I'm gonna leave it right there. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this car. Is it reliable? You like it? You love it? You hate it? Let me know. Put it in the comment box. And all you gotta do is put everything back the same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. Alright. Put some grease in what I told you. Put some grease in here too. Red grease, so it'll slide in really good. That's what she said. Alright. Thank you for watching. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to my viewers, community channel, haters, subscribers. Get your membership too. Alright. Smash the subscribe button. Do that. Like, share, and comment. Shout outs to everybody. Clan, the game, the whole planet. I'm saying Russia, Ukraine, Japan. I'm not gonna do all that. I'm saying, but you know. Okay. If I don't mention your country, you in cheer. You right here. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching. You know where to find me. I probably finished this video though, but we'll see though. But you know how to do it, alright? So that's what it counts. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thanks for watching. I like your boy. Axtuo. Yeah.